What is up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to Mo. So glad to have you hanging out with me at this very moment. Listen, y'all, this is going to be short, sweet, and to the point because, listen, you see by the title that I got something new that I wanted to unbox with y'all. But if you've been following me for a minute, you already know how much I love MEETION products, okay? You know, they sent me the keyboards, and y'all, today I got something else. So I'm already excited because the other products have already blown me away. So y'all, when it comes to quality and performance, MEETION just got it going on, you know? And listen, when they reached out to me and said, do you want to test out their MEETION ergonomic vertical mouse? And I'm like, heck yeah. I mean, because I'm already using the mouse from the keyboard, the last keyboard that I received, and I love it. So I have my laptop that has this goofy thing right here. Okay, what is this? This is really a mouse. This is really trash, okay? So honey, look, in hand today. I got it in hand. The MEETION ergonomic vertical mouse. It arrived on my doorstep today. So I am going to unbox this with y'all. I'm going to set it up with y'all on my laptop. So my hands are gonna have a good time now because I don't have to swap out this one on my laptop from my desktop and all that stuff. I got one for my laptop, so I'm excited. And I already know it's going to be just as amazing as everything else that I've received. So y'all, come on, let's get to it. Let's get in this box. Can I speed this up any faster? Okay. So inside the box, we have the USB nano receiver and we have the Type-C adapter right there. I'm just gonna pop those out. Okay, we're gonna get to the goodie. So y'all know I'm already familiar with this mouse because it is so similar to the one that came with my keyboard that I received only a little while ago. So it's quite similar to that, but it has this extra little groove here. I love that. Y'all, I'm super excited about going ahead and connecting it. So let's get on down to the desk and get this done now. All right, this is just the user manual. I'm pretty sure I know how to hook this up by now. You already know I have the USB cord here. So if I want to charge it, if it needs charging, we just pop in that cord to charge it up. Boom, 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 bam, like that. Let me go ahead and just remove these little stickers here. All right, this is my old mouse. It's trash. Let's just go ahead and take out this. And let's pop in this one. All right, now on the back side here, we're just going to turn it on and see if we're in business. Look at there, it lights up, y'all. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my word. This is awesome. And she's good to go. You can see the cursor moving around on the screen there. I'm so excited. This feels so good. This is how you're supposed to be able to maneuver through working, okay? Very easily, you know, no hiccups, no bumps, no problems whatsoever. We love this. Okay, we love this. This is nice. This is so nice. I'm loving it. Perfection. Y'all, if you need to up your game with a mouse that's like brought you to modern times, this is it. Don't play with it, y'all. This right here, right out of the box, this design is giving comfort meets cool. You gotta know it. The vertical shape is super unique. But if you've ever had wrist or arm discomfort after working on your computer for hours, this is exactly what you need. It lets your hands sit in a natural position instead of being flat like a regular mouse, like this goofy thing right here, okay? Oh my goodness. That alone makes a huge difference. And you know, MEETION doesn't stop at just looks. They pack this mouse with all the good stuff. It's got Bluetooth 5.2 Bluetooth 3.0, and 2.4G wireless. So you can connect to pretty much any device, whether I'm working on my laptop or flipping to my iPad or even my desktop. This mouse can handle it. It also includes USB-C adapter, as I showed you, that works with the USB-A receiver. So you're covered either way. And let's talk about the RGB lighting again. Okay, y'all, check it out. It's subtle, it's sleek, and it just brings a fun vibe to my workspace. And yes, no more running for batteries. It's fully rechargeable, which I love that. You know, I love that so much. And y'all, it's eco-friendly and wallet-friendly too. The DPI settings go from 800 to 2400. So whether you're doing fast navigation or precise design work, this mouse adjusts to my needs. Plus the side, forward, backward buttons. Total game changer when you're scrolling through pages or multitasking like a boss. And you can tell from holding it, this mouse is built solid. The scroll is smooth, the click is quiet, and everything just feels quality. MEETION did it again, y'all. So if you're already loving MEETION like I do, and you've been thinking about leveling up your mouse situation, go ahead and grab this one. I'm excited to really put it to the test, but from what I've seen so far, it's a yes. It's a yes for me. There you go, y'all. MEETION back at it again with me. I'm loving what I'm getting from them for sure, for sure. This is a winner. All right, beautiful babes, you saw, you witnessed, you know. You got to get your hands on your very own MEETION ergonomic vertical mouse. You got to get it. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with your girl once again. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, beautiful babes. Bye.